Alright, so this is our main screen we'll be looking at all the time. This is the transaction tab, and there's a purchasing tab, the accounting tab, e-commerce, and then management and maintenance. It's kind of how it's broken down by different tabs. I don't really use the service as something making appointments, something like a calendar, but that would be good for outside salesperson. Maybe we can use that. And then we have management, which is marketing, loyalty program, gift cards, credit card reports, check management, other information here. And then maintenance, where we would import products and stuff into it, down utilities, import inventory, import customers, what we do importing. Your categories and departments are in here, your tax rates, system setup, a lot of things, definitions. This is where the employees get a lot of issues, under definitions, invoice layouts, buttons, touchscreen, and so on. So once this is set, these two, once they're set, you just go there to run reports. But this and this are your main two that you use. So this one again is broke out. So this section, create and pending. So you can create layaway, order, service order, web order, a quote, recurring invoice, or a contract pricing. So you can set up a price structure for a customer that will stay until expiration date. And all these look very similar. So we have pending. The same. Once they're created, they go pending. This is where you can look up. I can look up. Notice the tabs here. It opens a menu. So there's your layaway, there's your orders, service orders, web orders, quotes, the recurring invoice, and then contract pricing. So contract pricing is very important because we can set up prices for a customer and set an expiration date up. So this guy's prices expire at the end of this year. And then we revisit, take another look. So it's one way. So we can do partial convert it to an invoice. Let's see. And we have convert, close. We can clone if you want to copy your ticket again. So that's a few things. So we stop the video here and send that to you. Well, hold on. So then this is customer sale, quick sale, or return. So all that can really be combined into one. And once you hit this, customer sale, it comes up, asks us for an ID. And we do it. So then we go into. So we don't really need this here. We don't really need this section. Kind of this, that. This is fulfillment center. That's pretty nice. Invoice history is here. Let's see, open the register, have a code, and then balance the register. So when you balance the register, it'll tell you which register to balance and how many transactions. So in this case, these are our main two. It's got 49 transactions, 45 transactions. And we can balance those, close those out. So let's look at that. So you can see how it balances the register, because that's important. Alright. So let's say we're going to close out register 1. It comes up with this, where we get to tell it how much money we have. So if it is 100, we have 250s, we have 25 20s, 6 10s, 5 5s. So that would be it. Let's see, 20 and it's adding up every time we do something. How many quarters? So we might have 15, 35, 20, and 50. And it's counting it all down. If you say okay, it's going to balance against what you had in the register. So you should have $968. You should have some credit card transactions, and you should have checks added to that. So once that does, then you hit post, and then it's going to tell you. See right here, it says everything's short because we didn't put any amount in there. and this video